Welcome to Cryptocurrency 101, the basics for beginners. In this video, we will introduce you to the world of digital currencies, or cryptocurrencies, and explain the basics of how they work. A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. It operates independently of a central bank, instead relying on a decentralized system of transactions called a blockchain. There are many types of cryptocurrencies, but the most well-known is Bitcoin, which was launched in 2009. Other popular cryptocurrencies include Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Each type of cryptocurrency has its own unique features and uses. Cryptocurrencies have several benefits over traditional currencies, such as faster transaction times, low transaction fees, and increased security and privacy. Additionally, cryptocurrencies are not subject to government regulations, which can be both a benefit and a risk. While cryptocurrencies have many benefits, they also come with risks. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and their value can fluctuate drastically in a short period of time. Additionally, cryptocurrencies are not yet widely accepted as a form of payment and can be difficult to convert back into traditional currencies. That's it for our Cryptocurrency 101, the basics for beginners video. We hope this introduction has been helpful in understanding the basics of cryptocurrencies. Be sure to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before investing in cryptocurrencies.